When your Sharp TV freezes, shows a black screen, or ignores the remote, it's frustrating and can make you think the TV is done for. The good news is that it's usually not a serious hardware problem at all. Most of the time, it's just a simple software glitch. In this video, I'll show you multiple safe and proven reset methods you can try at home to get your Sharp TV working again. No tools or repairs needed. Follow the steps carefully and in order, because the issue is often fixed with the very first method. The first method is a hard reset, and this is the easiest and safest fix you should always try first. You don't even need the remote for this. Simply unplug your Sharp TV from the power outlet, wait for a full 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the TV's software. If your TV was frozen, stuck on a black screen, or acting strangely, this step alone often fixes the problem. Once the TV turns back on, check if it's working normally before moving on. If the issue continues, the next method is resetting the TV through the menu on standard Sharp TVs. Press the menu button using your remote, or use the physical buttons on the TV if the remote isn't working. When the menu opens, go to Settings, Setup, or Initial Setup, depending on your model. Look for Reset or Factory Reset and select it. If the TV asks for a PIN, try common defaults like 1234, 4444, or 1111. Confirm the reset and allow the TV to restart. If this step helps you, take a quick moment to like the video and subscribe for more easy TV fixes. For Sharp Roku TVs, the reset process is slightly different. Press the Home button, go to Settings, then System, then Advanced System Settings. From there, select Factory Reset and choose Factory Reset Everything. The TV will display a special code on the screen, which you'll enter to confirm the reset. This method works best when Roku apps aren't loading, freezing, or crashing. If you're using a Sharp Android TV, reset it through the Android system settings. Press the Home button, go to Settings using the gear icon, then open Device Preferences and select About. Inside that menu, choose Factory Reset, and then select Erase Everything. This option is especially useful when the TV is slow, unresponsive, or showing Android system errors. If your Sharp TV is completely unresponsive and you can't access the menu at all, you can try the physical reset button method. First, unplug the TV from power. Then check the back or side of the TV near the ports for a small recessed reset button. Use a paperclip to press and hold that button and wait for the reset process to complete. This method is helpful when the TV won't turn on or stays frozen. The final option is a hidden hard reset using the TV buttons, and this should only be used for advanced situations like no display or no remote. Unplug the TV first. Then press and hold the volume down and input buttons on the TV. While holding them, plug the power cord back in. Keep holding until the TV turns on or you see a blue box, then release. After that, press volume down and channel down to enter the service menu and reset the TV. Follow these steps carefully, exactly as shown, to avoid issues. That's it for this video on safely resetting a Sharp TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you fix problems like freezing, black screen, or an unresponsive TV without calling a technician. If one of these methods worked for you or you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.